Hey guys, welcome to Taronga Zoo. I'm Laura, the koala keeper here at Taronga, and we've got a very special announcement today. Our Joey, Humphrey, is now out of the pouch and riding around on Mum Willow's back. We're so excited to make this big announcement. Humphrey's been in that pouch for 8 months already, and we're only just seeing him out now as he tackles the world. So little Humphrey here is around 8 months old. We've only seen him outside of the pouch for around 2 weeks now, and a lot of what he did was all on the inside of the pouch prior to that. So little Humphrey was born all the way back in May or June, but because these guys are marsupials, all of his developing happens in that pouch. So we've only just seen him in the last 2 weeks. So around 8 months old, although it seems weird, that's the right time to come out of the pouch. He'll stay with Mum until he's about a year old, at which point he'll be ready to become independent from her. So Humphrey, it's a really cute name, being that this is a little boy, totally appropriate. And you might think of old Humphrey B bear. Reminder though that koalas, they're not bears. Because they're marsupials, that puts them in a different family to bears, which are, like us, we're called placental mammals. These guys as marsupials with pouches, their babies are called Joeys, and Humphrey, he's not a bear. We're really lucky with the name Humphrey though. It came from one of our really generous supporters who suggested Humphrey, and we thought it was super cute. So we're really excited to have Humphrey join our ranks. The best time to come and see Humphrey and his koala friends is at our encounters. Now that runs from 11 o'clock every day. And if you're interested, you'll now find us in our brand new location. We're just across from the main koala exhibit, and that's right in the front entrance as you come through the doors. So keep an eye out, come and check us out in our new spot and meet Humphrey and friends.